Hey everyone, today we're gonna see how to install No Hesi. Firstly, download and install ReviewQuasar on Steam. Then download Content Manager, which is a must-have for mods. Now, install required mods. You can do custom shaders patch. It is required for realistic lighting and effects. Salt or Pure improves visual and weather, and Traffic Planner helps No Hesi AI traffic function properly. You can find these mods in Content Manager, Settings, Custom Shaders Patch, or online. Just visit the No Hesi Discord server to access the download links. Just download the No Hesi track and extract the downloaded files and place tracks in Steam, Steam Apps, Common, ReviewQuasar, Content, then Tracks. Import AI traffic script into the Content Manager if needed, and it's done. That's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.